A very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you? Fine? Are keeping fine? No. Happiness is not seen on the face like people who didn't get kanji or rice for last 1 week. In Hindi it is told bhuke mare log baithe hain. In Hindi it is told bhuke mare log, the people who are hungry, died with hunger. There should be some life on your face. Ashish, what happened to you? Ashish? All right. That all right is not seen from the face. Femina, what happened? Femina, very gloomy. Anjo, very good style. Very good new style. Okay. 12th style. Okay. Till reopening. Okay. Adil, oh, yesterday you have gone somewhere else, I think so. You went for a party?
Passport.
Passport office. People have very good common sense. In order to please others, they have to clean the part above shoulders. The most important place. Let us come to the class. We were there in the last but one page. Page number 46. We were in page number 46. Elvina, are you all right in Anandapuram?
Yes, sir.
Nearby any corona is there?
No, sir.
No, not even single corona.
Yes.
Okay. So, certainly, Your Excellency, Sadavo said. He suddenly comprehended, understood that the general was in the palm of his hand, that we have seen last day. The general was in his own side, and that as a consequence means as a result, he himself was perfectly safe. Since general was in his own side, now Sadavo can do whatever he wants because general will not speak against him. General will not speak against him. He himself, underline, he himself was perfectly safe. I can swear to your loyalty, to your excellency. I can swear to your loyalty, your excellency. I can swear to your loyalty, your excellency. You can trust me. I will not speak anything to anybody. You can trust me. He said to the old general, and to your zeal against the enemy. And I can tell the people about your interest, zeal, great interest to kill the enemy. You are a good man. Ashish, you are a good man. The general murmured and closed his eyes. You will be rewarded. You will be rewarded. But Sadavo, searching the spot of black in the twilighted sea that night. You see? Sadavo, searching the spot of black in the twilighted sea that night, had his reward. What is searching the spot of black. Can you remember? Searching the spot of black, Magna? What do you mean by that?
Whether the enemy is flashing for food, like
No. Searching the spot of black, not light. What
whether
would be
it's night,
the
if it's night,
night? That is in the night. What he tried to see the spot of black. Can anyone say? He was searching Sana's head. That is a thing. Sadavo was searching Sana's or Femina's head. When Sadavo sent the soldier to the boat, he took a black cloth and tied on his head in order to cover his American hair. Clear now? So, Sadavo was looking that black head there. In the twilight. What is twilight? Many times I have told in the class. Twilight, what is twilight?
The evening time just before the night.
Just before the dusk. That is what is called Velakku Vekkum Neram. You see, in Malayalam, in our beloved Hindu families, there is a custom. Lamp will be lighted in front of the veranda. Am I right? At that time, if there is any grandmother at home, grandmother will say in Malayalam, Makale, irtavane kalmu velakku kathikki. Ille? Am I right? Grandmother would say, irtavanel mumbe velakku kathikki. That is saying in Malayalam. That means light the lamp before the dusk. Clear now? Because dusk is a moment of brightness. After that, that brightness will be off, darkness will come. That timing is called twilight, the moment where day and night meets. Clear now? Clear now? Dusk or twilight. Two lights. In that one light is dusk, evening. One is dawn. Dawn and dusk are known as twilight, two light. Dusk is or dawn is the moment where darkness and light meets. They hand over their duty. That handing over timing is called, change of duty time is called twilight. You see how the nature has arranged its nature. At that time, just before darkness fall, he looked at the island. He was searching the black head. And he felt he had his reward. Underline that line. Searching the spot of the black in the twilighted sea that night. There you underline, stop. Then another underline, had his reward. What would be his reward, Aparna? Aparna is very angry to me. Okay. What would be his reward?
Sir, he can ensure that the soldier is safe.
He could make sure that the soldier has escaped from the island. There was no prick of light in the dusk. No one was on the island. Underline. No one was on the island. Even the soldier was not on the island. Not in the island, on the island. When don't say Grishma, don't say in the island. In Malayalam, islandil, we say there is a tendency to say in the island, not in the island, on the island. The preposition is on. His prisoner was gone. Safe, underline. His prisoner was gone. Safe, doubtless, no doubt. Because he had warned him to wait only for a Korean fishing boat. Because Sadao told, you wait for a Korean boat. As soon as the Korean boat comes, you escape. He stood for a moment on the veranda. He stood for a moment on the veranda, gazing out to the sea, from whence the young man had come that other night. So, he was gazing, looking, while standing on the veranda. And into his mind, although without reason, there came other white faces he had known. You see, he was standing on the veranda and he was thinking. He was thinking about the prisoner and his escape. He was thinking what all things he had done to the prisoner. Shubham, are you there in Delhi or UP? Are you in Janakpuri? Shubham, where are you now? I think you are there in ITO or Sarojini Nagar. Shubham, I got an insight that he was not there in the class. That is why I called him. While taking the class in my, when you see, while Sadao, you see what a sequence it is, just to see. When Sadao was standing there on the veranda, he was thinking about the prisoner. So, into his mind, there came a number of figures, persons, white people. In this way, while I was standing like this, the board is here on my left side. I was looking straight. Into my mind, there came a name, Shubham. I turned. That is why I called him. I called till now. Irfan was very happy, isn't it? Irfan wanted to show that, sir, I am also here. I am here. Shubham is not there, but I am here. There are great people. You see, they will be appearing once in a blue moon. Once in a... no, Irfan is not like that. Irfan is always there on the video. Till now, Shubham has not yet reached. He might have switch off, and he might be sleeping. Maybe good boy, he may be learning at night, overnight. We cannot blame him, anybody. He may be learning up to 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the morning, and he might have a nap, isn't it? It can happen, okay. Okay, now here you see, while standing on the veranda, our Sadao was thinking about the prisoner. At that time, into his mind, there was a number of flashes. Which were the flashes? Into him came white faces, faces of white people, faces of Americans. Who are they? Number one, put number one, the professor at whose house he had met Hannah. The face of professor, he remembered. At his house, Sadao met Hannah. A dull man. The professor was a dull man. And his wife had been a silly, talkative woman. Very good character, isn't it? Silly, talkative woman. Is there anyone here talkative? Elvina, anybody is here talkative? Elvina is a silent girl. She was very talkative in St. Joseph's, isn't it? She was very talkative in St. Joseph's, but in our classes, she is very silent. Okay, so anybody else? So here he says, wife of his professor was very talkative in spite of her wish to be kind. Even though she was very kind, but she is very talkative. She would give help to poor man. She would give help to poor man. But what is the problem? She will tell 100 people that I had helped him. Clear now? Giving 10 rupees to one people and speaking to 100 people that I had helped him when he had no money. Then what is the purpose of Asana? What is the meaning of Zakat? What is the meaning of Zakat then? What Zakat says, give with the right hand, but left hand should not, Femina? Know it, should not know it. That is what is alms giving. Am I right? Irfan, hey, come on the stage, man. Let me clear my doubts. These people do not respond. That is why Irfan is an authentic person. If Irfan says, Irfan?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes.
What? He said yes. What is correct?
Left hand should not know the.
The left hand should not know what the right hand does. That means when you help somebody, it should be in secret. Only one person will be seeing it. Who will see it? God. But here, professor's wife was not like that. She would help somebody and she would give advertisement in the newspaper. Advertisement in the newspaper. Those who make advertisements for the help, already the reward is given to them in this world itself. Those who are helping others and giving newspaper advertisement, they let them understand that their reward is already given by the people. God is free. When you do some help, don't tell anybody. In secret you do it. Okay. That is one professor. Then he remembered his old teacher of anatomy. Underline. Number 2. He was remembering these people. His old teacher of anatomy who taught him, who had been so insistent on mercy with the knife. Because anatomy professor will be using incision, cutting. So, who had so insistent on mercy with the knife, you should be very merciful when you do incision. You should do the surgery carefully. You should do the surgery carefully. That is the meaning. And then he remembered the face of his fat, slatternly landlady. Number 3, fat, slatternly landlady. Slatternly means an immoral behavior, not good behavior. Bulky, sulky, slatternly, an immoral behavior the lady has. So the landlady. So professor, teacher of anatomy, the landlady. He had a great difficulty in finding a place to live in America because he was a Japanese. You see, when he went to America for studies, he found a lot of difficulty to get a flat, to get an accommodation, because he was a Japanese man. He was Japanese. Americans did not give accommodation. Americans did not welcome Japanese. At that time, the Americans were full of prejudice, thought before the action. Or a people who keep a pre-planned comment about somebody, we say mun vidhi. We make a judgment before seeing the person. Oh, that Josie sir. You people don't know Josie sir. That Josie sir, he is a very rough man. He is a very rough man. Because his father was rough. Because his father was a teacher and he was very rough. So his son also should be rough. This is called a prejudice. This is called prejudice. So Americans were full of prejudice and it had been bitter to live in it, knowing himself their superior. So it was very difficult to live in America. How he had despised the ignorant and dirty old woman who had at last consented to a house, to house him. To house him means to lodge him, to give him accommodation. To house, it is used as a verb. In her miserable home. So he remembered that fatty, slatternly landlady who was not a good lady, but she accommodated, gave him a lodge to live in her dirty house. He remembered. He had once tried to be grateful to her because she had in his last year nursed him through influenza. So, though that lady showed mercy, kindness towards Sadao by permitting him to live in his room, in her house, in the last year of MBBS, in the last year of his studies, Sadao showed mercy to her because she was infected by influenza. And Sadao served her. But it was difficult, for she was no repulsive to him in her kindness. But it was difficult. She was disliking, repulsive, aversion. Repulsive means aversion, dislike. When she was sick because of influenza, he served him. He served him a lot. Still, that mercy, that lady did not have any mercy towards him. She was very repulsive. She was very disliking towards him. At least she could think, I was alone when I was sick. He helped me. So I should be little more kind to him. No, she was not. Now he remembered the youthful haggard face of his prisoner, white and repulsive. So these many things, while he was looking for the black head of the prisoner from his veranda at the time of twilight. You see, the whole paragraph I brought into one sentence. While standing on the veranda, looking for the black head of the prisoner at the time of twilight, he felt happy. He felt satisfied because the prisoner had already left the island. While thinking about his escape, while thinking about the prisoner, a flashback came to his mind. He remembered the white people whom he met in America. One is his professor, where he met Hannah, his wife. Second, his professor of anatomy, who taught him how to be merciful and kind while doing incision surgery. Number three, he remembered the immoral, fatty lady, landlady, who was very rough to him. Still, in her necessity, still when she was sick, he nursed her. Even after her cure, that lady did not even show mercy to him. Mercy to him. Thinking all these things, again the prisoner of war came into his mind. He thought of him. He remembered him. White, repulsive. Underline. Remembered the youthful, haggard face of the prisoner. Haggard, the pale and tired face. Haggard. Pale and tired. Here is the twist of the personality. Last sentence is very important. He remembered the pale and the tired face of the prisoner, poor man. But there he remembered. You see, the white, the repulsive. The prisoner, the white man, repulsive. I should dislike him. There emerges the patriot, the Japanese Sadao. Clear now? When he says white, repulsive, in that word arises Sadao, the Japanese patriot, who hates white. Clear now? There comes the point. When Sadao says the prisoner is white and repulsive, he says all Americans, all white people are repulsive. We should dislike him. The white is my dash. What is the white is my dash? What is
Enemy.
my enemy? That is the title of the book comes there. The white is my enemy, and I am a Japanese, the enemy of white. We are enemies. Clear now? Clear? This is the story. This is the story. Strange, he thought. I wonder why I could not kill him. He was thinking, oh, Mandataram, he is a white man. He was the white man. He is the white man. He was my enemy. On which moment I forgot it. I could have killed him. I ought to kill him. Really, the servants told the truth. Clear now? He is standing and recollecting. Really, Hannah told me what I should do it. Yumi told me what I should do it. The servants, the gardener told me what I ought to do. My wife asked, what is the difference between you and other Japanese people? What is the difference? She asked. I could not think at that time. Now I remember, white people are my enemy. That prisoner was my enemy. I should have disliked him. I should have hated him. I should have killed him. You You see, the real patriot, Japanese citizen emerges there. He thinks about his lost chance. He thinks about his lost chance. The story ends. I think you have already written the summary of the lesson. Okay. So with this, I end your syllabus for +2. Happy Onam, isn't it? Vacation starts. Your study leave starts. Your study leave starts. Don't close the book. Now it is the time to open the book. Oh, Elvina thought, now this flamingo and vistas, I can pack it. I can find a new buyer for next year, isn't it? I can sell it out. Tomorrow starts a time to open the book and make the revision lesson by lesson slowly. After the Onam, when the class opens, we will begin the writing skill. We will have a detailed revision on writing skill. Okay, then I will wind up. Okay, clear now? So thank you. So enjoy your festival. Wish you all the best. Okay, thank you.